In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in QuickBooks Online. This process is quite straightforward and can be very useful, especially if you're dealing with clients or suppliers who operate in different currencies. Let's walk through the steps together so you can make this change effortlessly and ensure all your financial records are aligned with the correct currency. To begin with, you'll need to navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. You can do this by entering QuickBooks Online into your preferred search engine. This should bring up the QuickBooks website where you will see the Sign In button at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on Sign In. You'll need to enter your credentials to access your account, so ensure you have those handy. Once you've logged in, the next step is to access the settings. In the top right corner, you'll see a small gear icon. This represents the settings menu. Click on the settings icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account and Settings. This will open a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your QuickBooks account. Now look to the left sidebar and click on Advanced. This section allows you to delve deeper into your account settings and change more specific options. Under the Advanced tab, you'll see a section labeled Currency. This is where you can make your desired changes. If you scroll down, you'll find the Home Currency option. To change the currency, you'll need to click on the arrow next to this section. When you click the arrow, a drop-down list will appear with a variety of currency options. Browse through the list and select the currency that you wish to set as your home currency. Make sure you choose carefully, as this will affect how you view and manage your financial records in QuickBooks. After selecting your currency, there's one final step to complete the process. At the bottom of the page, you'll find the Save button. Clicking Save applies your changes, ensuring your transactions are processed in your new currency setting. It's essential to double-check that you've selected the correct currency before you save, as this can influence your accounts significantly. And that's it! You've successfully changed the currency in QuickBooks Online. Remember, adjusting your currency settings is a vital step if you're working internationally, as it provides consistency and accuracy in your financial management. If you have any other features you'd like to adjust, feel free to explore more settings options within QuickBooks. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial, and happy bookkeeping with your updated QuickBooks Online settings.